might be wondering how Bitcoin has been trading at the moment. So these are the live charts on the Etoro platform. It's the 17th of December 2022, 13:16, or just after 1:15. Temperatures picking up here in Ireland, thank God. It's been very cold the last week, 5 degrees Celsius. That's the most it's been now in a while. So yeah, this is the Bitcoin live chart. So Bitcoin is trading now at $16,522.02. 91.87. As you can see, Bitcoin, it's pretty volatile. It changes quite a bit. So these are the 1 minute charts. I'll just plus it up again a bit for you. Red candle again on the 1 minute time frame. $16,520. 71. As you can see, it's constantly changing. The crypto assets, there's a lot of fluctuations with them. So yeah, now we have a green candle again. So yeah, it's climbing slightly. The last few minutes now, as you can see, there hasn't been an awful lot of movement. The candles are quite short, so there hasn't been any major jumps either up or down in Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame. So when it goes red, it's gone down. Up here, green up, as you can see, and then the bearish candles are a downtrend, and the bullish candles are the green ones, the uptrend, for anyone that's new to trading. Is it climbing slightly? It is. Yeah, climbing slightly again. I'll just show you now on the what chart will I go on to? I'll go on to the yearly chart or the weekly chart, and you'll be able to see. I'll actually go down a small bit now as well, and you can see how much Bitcoin was trading at its peak. It was trading just above 65,000, which was, it's actually easier to see on the longer time frame. There was a massive jump, and as I said there, the highest it was trading was, yeah, just over the 60,000 mark. I think it was around 64,000 mark thereabouts. And now it's down to 16,535. So what I'll do is I'll show it to you now as well on the 4 hourly chart. I just looked at this a few minutes ago, and you can see where there was a massive dip on it. So this is it here. This is the massive dip now, where it dropped. Massive drop. And that was November. Yeah, just after November, around the 14th. That was massive drop now. They are continuous red candles all the way down. It's been pretty volatile now the last while. Anyone that's following it, as you can see, I'll put it onto the 30-minute time frame now. You can see there was a good lot of consolidation now around this time, and there wasn't really much movement before it jumped back up again. Consolidation, a rise, and quite a steep fall now in the last while again. So yeah, Bitcoin, it is very volatile. I have traded it previously on a different platform, but I haven't traded on Etoro, not yet anyway. I focus on stocks at the moment, and on this platform I don't, just little, yeah, €400, and that's not enough to trade Forex. I tried, it says add another 800 or something. I tried it about 2 months ago, so I can't trade Forex. I don't have enough to trade Forex on it either. So yeah, as I said, I'm focusing on stocks right now. So this is Bitcoin, still on the 1 minute time frame, and we have a red candle right now, trading at 16,536. Red candle again. it is interesting to watch, just to see the price action live right in front of you. You can tell a lot by following the charts on, say, like what I did there, go down to the weekly time frame, the monthly, the 30-minute, the hourly. You can see the trend. You can see obviously it was downtrend there, consolidation, uptrend, and it gives you an idea of where the price is going, whether the price is going to break in either a positive or a negative direction before you take your trade. Nothing is guaranteed, but when you get used to watching candlesticks on whether it's stocks, whether it's forex, whether it's crypto, you do get a feel for it. And you price action does tell you a lot. You can read articles and balance sheets and all that, but as well, what's in front of you is often overlooked, but it shouldn't be, because the candles are telling you quite a bit. And yeah, it's just not really, there's a bit of hesitation at the moment. Yeah, so it's been trading at around the 16,530, 529 for the last, yeah, for the last number of minutes now. As you can see, the drop down there a while ago at was it 12:40? It was, yeah. That's not that long ago either. It's less than an hour ago. So another red candle. She's dropping again now. It's dropping again. Yeah, I predict another red candle. I predict more down pressure. Could be wrong, but it may try and find a support around this area here before going back up again. Yeah, that's what it is going to do, I think. Yeah, yeah. Down. Or will it break the support of that general area? Oh, it has. Ooh, yeah, that's. See, this is why you have to be very careful with trading, especially with crypto, because it is very volatile. So yeah, as I did a short YouTube short there, Bitcoin live price action a few weeks ago. So I just said I'd do a lot more longer form video. I'm just recording this on my phone now. I didn't bother hooking up my camera, computer camera, or going into Zoom this time. Just recording it with my phone, recording my computer screen. So yeah, two bearish red candles now. Will we have a bullish candle in the next few minutes? Or less? Yeah, we have. Is it going to keep coming up? It may go up about halfway. Let me see. Yeah, no movement at the minute, just very slight movement. People aren't too sure whether to buy or sell Bitcoin right now at this present point in time. Now we're on to the next minute candle. We are in this bearish direction again. Yeah, more bearishness than bullishness. Yeah, as you can see, the small little green candle there was a small bit of buying, but now sellers are taking over again, and could very well shoot down another red candle. And they have. See, this is, you do get, when you get used to watching these charts, and you do get a good sense of, you're never, you can't be 100% accurate, or things do go wrong, but you get a good sense of what way things are going to go. It is amazing when you're watching especially the 1 minute candles, what you can tell after a while. I've been just about 2 years now since I opened a demo account, and I'm just over a year trading on a real account. So I've put a good lot of time and effort into this, as well as doing 2 courses as well during 2020. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll wrap it up there, and let me know in the comment section if every few weeks you'd like a Bitcoin live price action video. Thanks for watching, and till next time, take care. More bearishness. Down it's going again.